Hi everyone. Hello. Hello, hello. Hi everyone. Join in. Are you all ready for an amazing conversation with my dear friend Nina about foundation of self-love? And great. People are joining in. I love it. I'll give one more minute to it. Join in for whoever wants to. By the way, um, how have all of you been? It's been a long time. I don't remember when I did my last live. So I'm kind of very excited today. Also, the topic today is kind of really close to my heart, foundation of self-love, because it's something that is much spoken and talked about, but not a lot of people acknowledge it. So I thought, why not do a live with it, and why not do it with a dear and amazing coach who is a self-love coach, and she is especially a self-love coach for women. I mean, how amazing could that be? I've heard about all kinds of coaches, but a self-love coach is something that really, you know, hit a chord in my head, talking about, wow, I mean, how amazing could that be that she's talking about self-love as a coach? That's amazing, because it's something that I have struggled with for a long time in my life, showing some love to myself. And yeah, she holds personalized sessions, group retreats, and group workshops. She also takes personalized training, and she runs an amazing, wonderful, big women community and take them from gloomy you to radiant you. So I will just call her. And if she gets my request, Nina has accepted your request.
Hi,
Hi,
Sanjana.
Minal.
Am I audible?
Hi.
Hi.
Yes,
I was
you
just
are.
checking the
Now you
section
are.
that. Hi.
How
So I'm so
have you
excited
been?
to your community and speak about self-love. So yeah, it's very blur. Okay,
Yeah. Sometimes
by
in between
Smriti.
it's getting a little blur.
I hope now it's comfortable for everyone. Let's.
I think it's getting better, as minutes are passing by. It's getting better and better.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So
still.
today it's your day, Sanjana. And first of all, thank you for inviting me on your platform because I know you're doing amazing work.
My pleasure, absolutely. I think um, when I was just discussing with my team that I really want to do a live and who should we call upon, honestly, the first thing that came to me was you. And the one reason why is something because of the amazing women's work, especially that you are doing. I remember holding one session with your amazing women's community, and I was like so much in awestruck knowing that, wow, I mean, a woman doing so much for women and following your page and seeing all the amazing stories of the women. I'm like, she is the one that has to be on my platform to inspire not just women but everyone to take their journey towards self-love. So I'm
So
very happy and honored to have you.
thank you so much. And I hope today, whosoever is going to attend us, listeners, they will definitely understand what is self love or how
Yes.
to have the foundation of self love. That's so
Yes,
important.
absolutely. Something that really made me think that, Meenal, I've heard about so many kinds of coaches. There's talk coach, there's leadership coach, there's this, that, 100 kinds of coaches. But when I saw your page and I was like, self-love coach, and I'm like, wow, could there be a coach who's just talking about self-love? Because, self-love is a topic that is spoken so much about. I mean, there are like thousands and thousands of Instagram reels and posts about it, talking about self-love, doing your self-care routine, this, that. but nobody really actually tend to, follow it and make it their own lifestyle. And that is in a place like this, you come in, who is a coach of self-love and who really inspires so many women. So what is the story behind that, Meenal? Please share it with us.
Yes, absolutely, Sanjana. And I really love to share my story on this. But first of all, I just want to know that am I audible
Yes,
properly to everyone? Yes.
much, yes.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. So now, hi Sandeep, when we talk about how I started this journey, so let me tell everyone that being a woman, we all are conditioned since childhood that the love which we are craving is only outside you, right? If you become a good girl, if you are ready to say yes to everyone, you will get that love, value, and respect. And I think even my conditioning was on this pattern. My mindset was this. So when I was growing up, when I was a teenager, I was in love, and today he's my husband. And during this whole journey, I realized that slowly and gradually, yes, I was in love, very happy, I attracted what I want, but somehow I was losing my identity, Sanchana. I was not understanding exactly who am I. To please others, right? To please others, I was always on the path of saying yes. He or she should not feel bad. That's why many a times what I wanted, I gave up on my dream. And I was simply moving ahead, thinking that this is what every woman has to do in her life. One day in 2016, ultimately just working on others, especially to keep others happy. I was diagnosed in 2016, patient of anxiety. And I realized that this whole journey was always becoming best in other people's eye, not focusing on myself, actually becoming my authentic self, right?
Yeah.
If I want to become a good girl, I'm not sure that I'm authentic or not. There is a huge difference between being you, a real you, and finally just becoming a good in front of the world,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. We can hear you.
About becoming a good girl. It is about that I was never happy in doing certain things, but yes, I should. So I started continuing the work. And in this journey, let me tell you honestly, Sanjana, I lost myself completely. I lost myself. And when I spoke to doctor, because my body was showing some reactions in the form of burps, I was continuously burping, and everybody around me used to say that, "What is the problem? You understand we are in a country where all home remedies were given to me. Have
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
everything was done." But then when I went
Yeah,
to
yeah.
doctor, and finally when I had endoscopy, it was diagnosed that when I think a lot, I became an overthinker. Okay, when you please to do something for others, finally
Yeah,
you
yeah.
start thinking because this is not you. And then I decided that I have to work on myself and I have to come out of this issue, because at the age of 36, I was on 8 medicines. And for other people, it was, why do you think so much? But they never understand that it's not a task, right? It's so easy to say, why are you thinking? But
Yeah,
you don't know from core what I'm trying to do. I'm really trying to make you happy. And in this journey, I'm losing myself. I hope
yeah,
every woman in this room can understand, right?
yeah,
You start
yeah,
losing yourself. You completely start losing yourself when you are helping others or you're making happy others.
yeah,
And when I started in 2020 self discovery, and I really want to uh, thank myself, because the day I realized that I have to go deep within, I started working on myself. And in this journey, let me tell you honestly, Sanjana, I realized that when you are on discovering yourself, you understand that it is very important to become your authentic self rather than being good or bad. Whosoever you are,
absolutely.
vibrate on your own energies. So I understood what exactly my core wants from this world. And in
Yeah,
this journey, I realized that I was operating from a lot of egos, right? lots of
Yeah.
egos I was dealing with. I really wanted to please everyone. I wanted to keep others happy. I was not at all focusing on my physical and mental health. In spite of I was earning, I was financially independent. But what about my emotions, right? What about my mental health? And I was just becoming more and more masculine in my energies. I
Yeah.
realized it. Yeah. And
Yeah.
once I started working on myself, the breath work, meditation, exercise, reading, taking lots of courses, investing in my personal growth, let me tell you, now I know who I am and I accept myself completely. And
Yeah.
in the core in this journey, let me tell you, Sanjana, honestly, I was not at all loving myself. I was not knowing only what is love, right?
I
It was
yeah.
always a thing what we have learned from Bollywood. A hug or kiss is not love,
Yeah.
right? You, you have to operate from that frequency from within,
Yeah.
that this
Yeah.
is what who I am. And let me tell you, Sanjana, accepting yourself from head to toe with your darkness, it's really important what one needs to learn. So now I
Absolutely.
completely myself. So,
I mean,
Sanjana, this is in short my story.
when you were talking about my story, it felt like somebody's talking about my story with just a little bit of tweaks and here and there.
Yeah.
It's just, but the basic crux of it is just so similar. And I think that so many women who are going to listen to this and are already in the room will must be relating to what you said to a great extent. I mean, we've already so many messages. Guys, we are going to answer to all of your messages, but by the end of the live, let's just wait for some time and ask and get more and more of from Meenal of whatever we can. So just hold on to your questions as of now. But really, really inspiring, Meenal. And one thing I would really like to say is hats off to the courage mindset that you held for yourself, because even when we make sadness and pleasing others as our emotional home and keep working towards it, thinking that there is going to be a day that will make us happy, having this realization that no, this is something that I need to take up right now and work towards my mental health is a step of courage. And really hats off. And I can see, I mean, all of us know that because you took this step, you are being the light of so many other women. So thank you for this, because at the end I've come to this realization that women need to support women, because only then we can all walk each other home in
Yes.
in a society of India where we have just been taught that women is only pulling down each other. We are all competitors. She will become better. You will become better. You need to give your best. I think there's come a very big facade between women understanding. I mean, I a point where my family culture was कि अगर मेरी शादी हो रही है तो देख तेरी जेठानी है तेरी देवरानी है, but you have to do all of here and there.
What exactly self-love is. Sanjana, you're not
Yes.
audible.
Yes.
Yeah, now.
Yes. Am I audible here?
Yes. Yes.
Great, great, great. So I remember when I used to, I grew up, my family used to tell me that when I got married, और दादी माँ कैसी है, उनको कैसा लग रहा है, सास कैसी है, उनको कैसा अच्छा लग रहा है, तुम सब कर रही हो. And I remember everyone talking to me about my in-laws and how are they feeling about this new bahu, but nobody is asking me how am I feeling.
Yeah.
Nobody. And then I felt that I was kind of conditioned to constantly think that okay, I have to think about other people, I have to cook food for them, this, that. But I think it was my daughter's birth 3 years back, where every conditioning and all that golden cage जो society ने हमारे आजू बाजू बना रखा है ना of a good girl, it just got bended and broken into pieces. And that's where my awakening happened, that I really need to take a charge for myself so that I don't give this life to my daughter. And
Yes.
because it's very important somewhere something, needs to happen and break this generational toxicity, is I believe.
Yes, yes,
And it's,
absolutely.
yeah,
And you said beautifully that it's our responsibility, every woman on this planet, no matter wherever you are. Like Sneha has written, actually, I feel that we are born in a wrong country, and somewhere the daily soaps have dominated our society.
I really think, I think it's the Bollywood and all of those daily soaps and Saas Bahu serials that has really, doomed our society to a great extent.
Yes.
Ima
And it is our responsibility where we can hold each other, and basically you have to understand, every woman needs to understand that she needs to play the role, but we are not here to play only the roles and responsibilities. You're beyond that. So
yeah.
when you start loving yourself, you accept yourself, roles तो अच्छे से play करते ही हो, लेकिन
Hmm.
फिर जिंदगी में मजा आता है. You thrive, you
Exactly.
are not in survival mode. So I see you, Sanjana, and really admire you at such a young age. You are doing so amazing. So कभी कभी मुझे feel होता है काश मैं जब संजना जितनी होती और समझ आ जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता.
I think I really, really, in this case, I will say that it is just the grace of the universe, Meenal, that so I come from a very, very orthodox controlling family, and it was since the age of 18 I got this book from my sister, The Secret. I think most of the people start their journey with that
With the
book, and
secret.
that kind of, yeah, and that kind of became my safe haven, and I explored towards, manifestation, law of attraction, and then went down to NLP and now came into this healing space. And all this kind of education is something that really protected me from all the toxicity that I could have consumed by the society or, from the people around me. I still did, but I'm really grateful that at this young age, I mean, I will proudly say I'm not even 30. I'm a mother and I'm into this field and I'm working towards other people making their lives better. I really feel grateful. And honestly, Meenal, it's women like you and your work and so many other women like you who really inspire me that the kind of work that we are doing, it's needed, it's honored, and it's spreading the light. Honestly, genuinely.
So much, Sanjana. Thank you so much.
Nina,
I'm loving
I
it.
have a I have a question from you. So many people talk about self-love. I mean, it's a very, very spoken about topic. But what is the problem? What stops people, even after talking so much about it, why aren't they able to 100% make it their lifestyle? What's the issue behind it? Because yeah, and that's something that I really want to know from a life coach like you. That please break this mystery for me. That what is the issue? I mean, for me
Uh,
also.
it's basically two things. First of all, everybody needs to understand that self love is not only body care or spas
Hmm.
or massages. It is
Hmm.
about what you're wearing. Your soul is wearing this body, right? And you have a
Yeah.
mind. You need to understand that you have to accept all your physical, inner traits, external traits, everything completely. Because if we have something good in us, we definitely have something dark within us, right? So you should have the courage to look into it. Now comes the outside world. The
Hmm.
conditioning of the culture and the society is that for a woman, she needs to look 100% perfect, dressed up,
Hmm.
beautiful. So we
Hmm.
have beauty standards
Yeah.
outside, right? When it
Yeah.
comes to beauty standard, when it comes how you talk, how you walk, how you speak, और हर
Hmm.
किसी ने अपने अपने हिसाब से एक woman के लिए cage बना के रखा है that if you fall under this category, you are a good woman, you are beautiful, you are amazing, and if you
Yeah.
doesn't fall under this category, you are worth nothing.
Yeah.
So, Sanjay, since childhood, especially, then comes the major role of education system also.
Hmm.
Education system has also given us this first thing, first, second, third. अगर आप first, second, third नहीं हो तो then you're hopeless. If you're not doing good in
Hmm.
this subject, you're hopeless. Then comes the comparison, to be very honest, where our parents starts from the home. I have
Yeah.
seen mothers literally talking, and I'm not going outside while I'm talking in my home also. In front
Hmm.
of their kids only, they will say, "अरे तू तो गोरी नहीं है, अरे तू तो
Hmm.
मोटी." How easily mothers, sisters, and leave about someone else. How can a person talk to their child, right? That
Hmm.
innocent girl or a boy. So,
Yeah.
Sanjana, of course, I'm working for women, but I just wanted to tell that since childhood, we are into this trap of becoming good,
Yeah.
competing with others. So,
Yeah.
competition and comparison is the mindset which is given to us. But if you see the
Hmm.
universe, it is more about self love, it is more about
Hmm.
collaboration, it is more
Hmm.
about helping each other and growing together. But it
Hmm.
was never taught to us. But yes, thank you to 21st century, and right now the most important skill on the planet is collaborating. I
Yeah.
know that we both are different, our
Yeah.
belief systems are different, our
Yeah.
cultural values are different.
Yeah.
So even if we are different, but if we come to a space where we both agree, and disagreement can also have love,
Yeah.
right? So instead of having, when you said that, Meenal, why it is so much difficult? Because we are not fighting with the outside world. When the
Hmm.
world has instilled on us since childhood all these beliefs
Hmm.
and values, the conflict is within us, you
Yeah.
versus you. So if I'm
Yeah.
standing in front of the mirror and if I see Deepika Padukone's picture, I'm going to hate myself that I'm not
Yeah.
having
Yeah.
body like her, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
see that one woman in my house is being appreciated for cooking fantastic food. But I'm not a person, I love to sing. But then it is
Hmm.
a comparison that being a woman, she can cook and you are only singing. So
Hmm.
there is always a conflict between my mind and body. And
Yeah.
women feels that she should be acceptable by the society
Hmm.
rather than
That's
walking
true.
alone, rather than walking alone. And when we talk and when we see to the people in the outside world, जब वो loneliness और alone को compare करते, so
Hmm.
people feel that isolation is not good, but isolation and being alone is the superpower.
Yeah.
That is only when you can see your true self. और जब आप खुद को ही प्यार नहीं करते, आप बाकी रिश्तों से क्या प्यार पाओगे, and how you will be accepted by others. So when we
Agree.
are working on this journey, and I have helped more than 10,000 women, Sanjana, let me tell you, to break and to shift this mindset that you deserve all the love and respect in spite of being any culture, creed, color, body type, thought process. You deserve it, girl. But it is so much deep rooted that we have to work from education system.
Yeah.
We have to educate every woman right now that if you have a girl who is, because when we talk about beauty standard, it is about fair, and that's all
Yeah.
fair
Yeah. Yeah.
and lovely. Sorry, I know it's life, but I'm saying when people talks about fair and lovely, when people talks about using certain mask and you become fair, whatever color. And Sanjana, I also struggled a lot. I always wanted that मैं और गोरी दिखूं. अरे ऐसा नहीं हो
Hmm.
सकता, जो गॉड ने मुझे दिया है वो मैं बेस्ट हूँ. So
I
this took
agree. I so agree.
so much time. So when we talk about a country, especially country like India and all over the world, racism is there, and because of these two words, comparison and competition, I
Hmm.
believe the mindset. Please stop comparing one, what you said, na Devrani, Jethani, Bahus and all. Yeah, we all are one. Why people don't understand this, that form wise we are different, but energy level we are one. So
Hmm.
we all need to work on making women understand that you need to accept yourself. And when you accept yourself, whether it's your body type, whether it's your skin tone, whether it's your
Yeah.
education, whether it's your degrees, you are going to vibrate on a different frequency.
Yeah.
So
I
it comes to
absolutely
the
agree.
cultural, societal norms, and especially it starts from every home. जब एक बच्चा जन्म लेता है वहीं से judgment start हो जाता है. So the first thing we need to remove is the judgmental ego from us, within us, and from the society. That's very
I
important.
so
Very important.
so agree. I completely agree to this. Whatever you have said, I have a story. I have a reel in my feed that talks about that. You know how I come from a family where I was always told about how I should eat less, and how I should, constantly have this home remedies to keep looking good and fair and everything. And that really, Meenal, to a great extent, disconnected me from my body. And I did
Yes,
not even know that till the point where I delivered my child, and suddenly I was in a state of such deep postpartum depression where I'm not able to live in my body because all of those conditionings that have been deep rooted in me, that I'm supposed to be thin and wise and white and everything that came on surface. And I was like, I remember talking to my husband that I really think that you don't love me anymore because I've become fat. And he told me that, babe, you just delivered a child 3 months back. What are you saying? And that is when I realized that my mental state is taking a solid toll. I mean, this is something that I really need to work with. I mean, I have dealt with calls on my baby's birth from my families where they are calling me and congratulating me and ending the call saying that, it would have been a much nicer if it was a boy. I don't need that. I do not really need that. I don't need those opinions. If you cannot add happiness to a woman's life, you do not have the right to take that light away from that woman's life, because people just don't understand that how these small, small things affect the mental health of a woman or a man. It
Yes,
just,
and
it just,
it is deep rooted in the form of beliefs in your
yeah,
subconscious mind. So
yeah,
from
yeah, yeah.
0 to years, मैं really बोल रही हूँ अपने बच्चों को ऐसा कुछ मत बोलो जो उनके माइंड में जाके बैठ जाए, because they are so
Absolutely.
pure, they are pure consciousness from 0 to 7 years. And I know unknowingly it is said because the system is created. So Sanjana, it's on our shoulders. You're so
I
young, and I'm
agree.
sure at this age you're doing it. So definitely we are going to transform. That
I'm,
I
I'm
know.
sure. I'm sure, Meenal. I mean, I was just talking to my friends this week, and I was having this discussion that, somewhere the kind of work that we all are doing, which is like becoming into communities in every state and in every area, there is a community of people healing and maybe taking coaching and, doing all of this work. All of these little steps makes me somewhere believe that the vibration of the universe is rising. it
Yes.
might not it might not be the change in the next 1 year or in the next 5 years, but I really believe that sooner or later, as the vibrations are going, the world is healing, the women's are healing, the men are healing, and all these golden caves the society has created around us of how to be a best mom, best wife, best daughter-in-law, and everything. People are having this awakening, and they're ready to bend the bars of this golden cage.
Sanjana, I would love to share here one of my reel, which crossed 3 million, was just
Wow.
about that you cannot just focus on becoming a best wife. What is this concept of best wife? And let me tell you, every woman appreciated, and of course, men are also listening to me, so no offenses. But I just wanted to tell that that was something which I write to raise the voice. It is not against that we are men, we all are one. Why people don't understand that when we women keep ourselves at the priority, we are distancing ourselves from men? No, not at all. We all belong to one energy. But yes, we need also time to see ourselves. We also need time to heal ourselves. Of course, men also have their certain problems, lots of problems, but somehow I certainly feel that the conditioning needs to be changed in women first, because she is the nurturer. She
Yeah,
is the person who gives the
yeah.
birth. So if a woman in a family is smart enough to understand how she can take care of herself, the next few generations is going to be amazing.
Yes,
Amazing.
I agree. I agree. There are so many times on the dinner table, when my daughter is having food in the family, any family person says that, come on, now eat your parantha, you're a good girl, no? And then one day, my daughter just, I don't know, she's 2.5, Meenal, and she just out of the blue, she asked me that, Mama, if I don't finish this parantha, am I not a good girl? And I was like, I did not have an answer to that. I was like, no. I mean, your self worth or your goodness is not defined by the good paratha
And
or you
I
eating the
know
full
it is
paratha.
because of Paratha. After a few days, it will be because of marks.
Some or the other bullshit, trust me. And I raised this topic, very casually on dinner table, and everyone was just so bizarre knowing that how these little sentences that we just unconsciously speak, मतलब किसी का intention नहीं होता है, and how a child of 2.5 years grabs it and makes us feel that, okay, we really need to do better. This is not how we are talking to our
Yes,
kids anymore.
yes,
And
yes.
I mean it's beautiful. And you know what, Meenal, somehow since so many days, when I hold my spaces and my gatherings, and there are men coming since some time, and there are men who just suddenly starts to break down and cry, and there is this inner calling that is just driving me that maybe there is going to be a time that I want to hold spaces only for men, because I have realized that we women are going through a lot, but seeing the men that I am seeing in
Yes.
my work, the men are worst.
Yes.
They just don't know it yet. And when they get a space like this where they come that we've just come to find peace and have a relaxation time, and by the end of the gathering, they're like crying and no, and they're like, I'm really feeling fearful to go back home today. And I'm like, that's a good space to be in. That's where your healing journey starts because the awakening is somewhere starting.
That's what I said, you, Sanjana. It's not about men and women. It is
Yeah.
about we need a space where we can bring
Yeah.
ourselves authentically. Why we are not ready to show the world actually my con who? Why do we want to show the world always a mask? And it is not about you. See, I'm not defined by my husband. I'm not defined by my parents. I'm not defined by with my child. We are
Yeah.
totally different. So, bhai, ye main hu.
Yeah.
And it takes a lot of power. And how beautifully said. I have seen like many men come to me that, ma'am, I also need one-on-one. So I said, yes, I can help you
Yeah.
in one, but for group coaching it's completely for women.
Yeah.
So it is, again, when it comes to men, we have been conditioned that men should not cry, they cannot talk in a
Women's,
certain
they are the providers. They
uh,
should always keep working.
we all
Yeah.
we need to change everything, yeah.
Yeah.
And please learn. I told you, as collaboration is a very important skill. With that, learn
Yes.
educational degrees is waste. I have 7 educational degrees. Nothing helped me. It is more important to understand that this world is changing rapidly, right? So when you talk
Yeah.
about self love, it is more about going inward. It is more
Yeah.
spiritual to understand
Yeah.
about yourself.
Yeah.
So जब खुद को जान लेते हो ना, फिर किसी चीज की डर नहीं है. And
Absolutely. I so agree with this statement. True.
yeah, and then you can show the world. And let me tell you, there will be people who will not like you, who will not resonate with your frequency. It's okay. Be okay with that. You are not here on this planet to please 8 billion people. You are here on the planet to evolve yourself and go and say bye
Yeah.
bye to
Yeah.
everyone. So this
Yeah.
has to
Yeah. Yeah.
be very clear here.
Absolutely, absolutely. What you said right now is, you have come here to know yourself. This is a statement that I really, really resonate to because, guys, जब तुम खुद को जान लेते हो ना, तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारा रीबर्थ हो गया है. When I discovered actually my true self, I, I couldn't believe it that there are so many things I put myself through just because I did not have this knowledge about myself.
Yes.
हम रिलेशनशिप में होते हैं, हमें ऐसा लगता है हमें हमारे पार्टनर के घर वालों का फेवरेट फूड पता होना चाहिए, कलर पता होना चाहिए, रेस्टोरेंट पता होना चाहिए, सब कोई कहाँ जा रहा है, कब जा रहा है, सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. बट अगर इसका 1% एफर्ट भी हम खुद को जानने में लगा लेंगे ना, हमारी हीलिंग एंड हमारी ये जर्नी अपने आप धीरे धीरे डेवलप होने लग जाएगी. And second, very important point, I think this is something that I've come across so many times, and I really want to put it out that, guys, स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब मंदिर में बैठ के पूजा करना या पंडित के साथ बैठ के हवन करना सिर्फ नहीं होता है. ठीक है, देयर आर so many times, Meenal, that I say people that, work on your spirituality, work on the inner spiritual being of yours, and they just are not able to follow it. They feel that नहीं नहीं यार, ये पंडित और पंडिताइन वाले काम हमसे नहीं होते हैं. But I really, what do you want to say about this?
Spiritual, why people don't, yeah, see, that is what now here, as you have said this, I want to say it is finally our karmic impressions that is just awakening hogi ki nahi. So har
Yeah.
kisi ne, so I usually don't tell this openly on the platform, but अगर आप inward नहीं हो पा रहे हो, it means ये जन्म आपके लिए नहीं है. अभी आप simple आओ survival mode में, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, और फिर जाओ. Here maybe some days when you are ready. But I really want to thank God कि at least finally I felt that this lifetime if I'm aware, at least मैं अपनी next lifetime के लिए तो अभी consciously steps लूँ. जाने अनजाने में, I'm sure I have hurt many people, for sure, right, Sanjana?
Yeah.
But now I feel that if I have become conscious, at least I can be aware of taking steps. And the journey is always becoming your best version, right? Your best version. अपने अंदर से एक चीजें हटाते जाओ जो आप नहीं हो, and the final product is what you are. So, of course, Sanjana, it won't be an easy journey for everyone to understand. Yeah, but
Yeah.
those who are ready, those who feel, and let me tell you, if you are in the pain, any pain, whether it's a physical pain, emotional pain, loss, anything, yeah, because there are two types of pain only, physical and emotional.
Yeah.
It's a height where you need to understand what is self love.
Yeah.
खुद
Yeah.
को एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, बहुत बड़ी बात.
Yeah.
It's not easy. You will not learn it in one day. It's a journey.
Yeah. Meenal, I want to ask one last question before we get into the Q&A, because it's something that I really get a lot. And since you have an experience with working with so many women and giving them the light that they need, sometimes women and men, they come and tell me that, ma'am, हम लोग 6 महीने से इस जर्नी पे है, हमारे में हमने ये चेंजेस देख लिए हैं, but now we really feel disconnected with our family, with the people that we live. Somehow या तो वो हमें एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या हम उन्हें एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, और ये जो गैप है ये बढ़ता जा रहा है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी आर स्कैर्ड कि हमें शायद कुछ ऐसे डिसीजंस लेने पड़ेंगे, या हमारी लाइफ इजी से ज्यादा और डिफिकल्ट हो गई है. डिफिकल्ट इन अ वे कि खुद के साथ हम खुश हैं लेकिन घर वालों के साथ कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर यूज टू आवर ओल्ड वर्जन. So how does one deal with this? Please throw some light on this
Yes.
topic.
Anjana, this is something which today also, nowadays also, like after so many years also, मैं और मेरे husband बात करते हैं. When you are on this journey, आपके relations, आपके friends, सब कुछ धीरे धीरे छूटता जाएगा. क्यों? Because when you understand yourself, you know कि अब मेरा ये इस planet पे शायद ये mission है, and everybody will not resonate with your mission or vision, right? So when you are sitting and talking to others, वो level के conversation नहीं होते. Usually with others the conversation. So the point here is that what I realize and what I share to others is that when you are going and you're having the get-togethers or events or functions, or if by chance you have to go and meet such people जहाँ अब चीजें बदल चुकी है, it is very important to acknowledge that this is what I am, these are my priorities, but only to sit with others silently, enjoying your own company internally. Externally भले 100 भी बैठे हो, शांति से बैठ के बस स्माइल देके बैठे रहो, right? Because see, you cannot leave everyone. If you leave everyone and go from here, then your conflict will be with the nature. अगर आप सोचो कि मैं यहाँ से छोड़ के हिमालय चले जाऊँ तो वहां से नेचर से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाएगा भाई. You will meet the wild animals, means बर्फ, सब चीजों से आपकी conflicts होंगे. So the most important thing you have to understand that being different is your power, but you have to be in this world with your existence, correct? So be with, accept them. If I am different than you, Sanjana, this doesn't mean that we do not need to talk to each other or leave each other, correct? We can be together, respecting each other and into our own shell, and still enjoying each other's partnership, right? So we that is a skill which you need to learn, and for this first thing you become open-minded, right? We and ऐसा होता है, like I don't watch TV, it's been 8-10 years, like I don't know about web series, Netflix, I don't know anything. So when I'm with my group and when they talk, so many times I don't know what to talk, then at that time I simply smile. Of course I feel odd one out, but I know that if I'm in this society, until the time I am with a vision and a mission, it's very clear to me in my mind. So for 1 hour, if I'm sitting with them, I can get my feet relaxing, just listening to them, and then just saying bye-bye and going back. So remember, you are different, that's your power, but being a social animal, start working with your mission so that you can attract the people of your vibration. So make new friends, make relationships, but certain period of time you have to be with that older relationships also, right? Ab people nahi chhod sakte. And Sanjana is too young, and let me ask her also. For me, it was मेरे closest inner circle सबसे पहले मेरे से दूर होने लगा था. What do you say, Sanjana?
I agree.
Yeah?
I think I completely agree.
Closest inner circle means मेरी ही मम्मी मुझे बोलने लगी थी सबके डिवोर्स कर, तू क्या ऑरेंज कपड़ा पहन के हिमालय जाएगी क्या? And I was not at all doing this, right? I was just telling every woman कि जो मैं 7 साल परेशान थी भाई तुम मत हो. Try to understand that we are here for ourselves, and we have to play all the roles and responsibilities.
Now that you today, when you, hello, am I audible?
Yeah. So I asked them to share
Yes,
the
can you?
thumb in the chat box if they all understand what is self-love. Till the time
Yes,
it was.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. I remember, मेरी सारी ये Instagram पे feeds वगैरह देख के my mama was telling me one thing कि तू ये feather सर पे लगा के साधु की तरह ये क्या धुआं धुआं करती रहती है, and I'm like mom, really? I mean, आप मुझसे पूछ लो opinion देने की जगह आपका इतना funny सा ये जो judgment है, but then now I've come to a point that either I don't want to explain it to them or they don't want to know because इतनी ज्यादा एनर्जी चली जाती है ना वो एक्सप्लेनेशन देने में कि वो गैप और बढ़ता रहता है, इससे बेटर एक एक्सेप्टेंस कर लो कि ठीक है, शी इज देयर, शी इज हैप्पी, शी इज फाइन, आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट.
Anjana, basically, when you asked me this question, I realized one thing only कि जब हम इस evolution journey पे है, this doesn't mean that हर कोई होगा, वो कोई भी हो सकता है in your circle. So the best point is कि आप be you and spread that love.
Yeah.
Those who need to be means those who needs to be or universe wants them to be in your energy, they will be. और जो नहीं होना चाहेंगे वो universe खुद ही हटा देता है.
Yeah,
So
I agree.
it is something you don't need to worry and don't be scared of losing people in this
Yeah.
journey. Because let me tell you, हमने बहुत सारे फालतू की चीजें अपनी लाइफ में भर के रखी है जो जरूरत भी नहीं है. But this you will
I agree.
understand when you know yourself, right?
Yeah,
And इसका
yeah,
मतलब
I
नहीं है कि कोई
completely agree.
खराब है. सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. इस planet पे हर इंसान अच्छा है. बस पॉइंट ये है कि सब अलग अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी पे है, अलग अलग वाइब्रेशंस पे है. So if this person needs to be in your life, fair enough. If you feel not, बुरा मत बोलो यार. Right? That's
Yeah,
what people
yeah,
get scared. This relationship will not be with me. No, 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 no. It
yeah,
is not.
yes. I agree. पता है मैं अभी अपना just I was in my training of breath for 4 months and our teacher really instilled one thing in our head जो शायद मेरा मंत्रा बन चुका है, and I really want to say it out to the audience. Guys, just ask yourself कि जो emotion या जो relationship या जो situation को आप ऐसा hold on करके रखियो ना, how is it serving you? Is it serving in your well-being? Is it serving you to make you happy? Is it serving in your growth? How is it providing you what you need? Because if it's not serving you, it's not worth your time and energy. Just give it away if it doesn't serve your well-being. It's very, very important. And I think for me in my head, this is my first step towards my self-love, that if there is something that is not serving me and is taking most of my energy, I really want to put myself away from it because that's the love that I deserve and I want to provide to myself. Honestly.
So that is what, Sanjana, it is so much difficult to set the boundary for every woman or for every on the planet. So in the beginning, I told it's the conditioning to become good and acceptable in the society. So be different, be you, and we are different. That's what is important. This is what I had.
I agree with your conditioning because ना हमें बचपन से ही सिखाया जाता है कि जब वो होते हैं ना फ्लॉक्स में सब लोग जाते हैं, एनिमल्स भी सब एक गैदर होके साथ में जाते हैं, अगर कोई अकेला होता है तो उसके ऊपर सब अटैक करने लग जाते हैं. I think this is the conditioning that's happening from such a long time that you need to be in a group to be acceptable and to be safe. But I really
really want to I want to add to everyone, those who are listening to me, since childhood I have heard this. You are different. You are different. तू अलग सोचती है, अलग बोलती है, अलग ही चलती है, तेरा तो कुछ अलग ही है. I understood after this journey that was my power. Why let me tell you, I was always a person who was standing for others, fighting for others. And सारे rule तोड़े हैं. And I understood why I did that. I understood why I did that. Because my soul was my inner soul, my inner core was not allowing me to settle for less. And when I say settle for less, it's not about money. I really wanted to show if I'm different, that's my power. That's my power.
Yeah.
So
वो बोलते हैं ना कि family में generations and generations के बाद there is going to be one child who will be born and who has the task of feeling everyone's pain in the lineages and the generations of all the mothers, grandmothers, sisters, and I think you and me are that child who feels everything and now do not want to accept and be in that conditioning and wants to bend the bars of that golden cage and inspire others, honestly.
yes, that's what
it's yeah. Guys, it's been so amazing. Thank you so much, Meenal, for talking so much about this. If any of you want to talk anything and any queries, please put it in the chat box. We still have a 15 minutes of Meenal that you can, ask your questions and want to know some answers. So, okay, if let's see what do we have already in the chat
Kritika
box.
is asking a question, I think, again and again.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Kritika, you asking if I even sit and have lunch alone, many people would say, "Oh my God, why alone? Why are you not sitting with someone?" क्या बोलेंगे आप मीनल इस बारे में?
अगर आपने अकेले खाना सीख लिया है, that's the biggest power. So enjoy your own company. But yes, if you feel that at times that I need to share my food with someone, yes, you can sit. But I always believe being alone is the superpower. So if you learn how to deal yourself in that isolation, good to go. फिर तो किसी की जरूरत ही नहीं है,
Wow, well
right?
said. I mean, listening to you, it feels that यार अकेले रहना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है जहाँ पे हमें सोसाइटी ने बोल रखा है कि खाना भी अकेले खा रहे हो like what's the problem? But when I hear you, I feel like wow, like sitting alone
Yes.
is something that I really need.
Yes. So Kritika is also having this question: why some women enjoy so much with males? They like if
Yes,
they them. I have seen in my circle. Now,
yes.
Kritika, it is the again. I will say that if you have observed a certain woman like this, then it is very personal. So judging, first of all, I want that you should not judge others. Okay, don't judge. Even if maybe they are comfortable, do not observe or do not see yourself with the perception of male and female body. Correct? We are all with this. We are human beings. So whosoever gets comfortable space, a space where you can show your authentic self, is a space where you feel comfortable. So अगर ये आप हो या आपकी friend है, if she's comfortable with males, let her enjoy the company. End of the day, we are human beings. So do not try to see this कि अरे ये male से क्यों इतनी बातें करके enjoy कर रही है. End of the day, maybe that circle is allowing her that space to be authentic. Okay, this is the one way. The other way, the question which you have asked, that if they tease them, I have seen in my circle. Now, who teases whom? Every man teases the women, that it is her call that how much she is taking on her. She needs to set the boundaries that need not to be crossed by anyone. So, Kritika, if you are feeling helpless for your friend, then it's a time where you can simply communicate that this is what I'm feeling, okay? But do not try to give her any suggestions and advice. Because if the person is not at all aware कि उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, so maybe आपकी friendship में भी problem आ सकती है, right? Because nobody loves suggestions and advices, correct? But if it is after your communication, if you feel this, then you can empathetically share with her that I somehow feel कि आपको ज़्यादा tease किया जा रहा है. Because I can see she has written, Sanjana, that I have a colleague, if some male is teasing her, she would
Yeah,
enjoy her rather than being offended. And she likes to
right.
be in that. So,
Yeah,
Kritika, end of the day, it's your friend's choice, right? I
yeah,
know being a cat or being a kind-hearted person, आपको लग रहा होगा कि she's not setting boundary. So the only way you can help her is that you can communicate once to her. But still, if she feels that no, she's comfortable, then let me tell you, we are not anyone to judge
yeah,
someone else.
yeah.
Yeah, the person needs to be aware. So यहाँ पे मुझे टेडी बेयर की स्टोरी याद आती है. वो टेडी बेयर एक रॉक पे बैठा रहता है एंड देयर वाज अ नेल, और वो नेल उसको कंटिन्यूअसली चुभता रहता है एंड वहां पे सब बीज एंड फ्लाइज आके डिस्टर्ब्स हिम अ लॉट. सो वन माउस कम्स एंड आस्क्स हिम दैट सी आपको एक वुंड हो गया है, वहां से ब्लड आ रहा है, सो मेनी फ्लाइज आर देयर, यू आर नॉट मूविंग आउट फ्रॉम दैट. So he smiles and he says, I'm so much comfortable here, yaar. I don't want to get up from here and go and sit on the other rock. So he says, अरे भाई blood आ रहा है. तो इससे कोई बात नहीं. So people are so much comfortable, even if there are triggers, even if there is judgment, but they are comfortable. So
Yeah,
unless and until he is not feeling offended, we are no one to say anything
yeah,
about her. I
yeah,
hope that you. So
yeah,
I loved your approach that you are thinking for others. Kudos to you. But end of the day, he needs to be aware that she is being
yeah.
bullied or something.
I
She
I
likes
agree.
these, but where I would have. So you don't get offended, Kritika. Okay, you don't get offended.
I
Yeah, because if you get offended,
yeah.
yeah, please
Completely
go ahead,
agree.
Sanjana. Please go ahead.
I just want to tell Kritika or anyone who's listening who has a similar problem, just remind yourself one thing, guys. This is not your problem to take solve. This is not your energy to take. हम लोग की as humans and as Indian humans हमारी एक आदत होती है कि हम लोग हर किसी का पेन, हमारे पेरेंट्स का, हमारी फैमिली का, हमारे फ्रेंड्स का पेन हम खुद बना लेते हैं, अपना पेन बना लेते हैं, and then we keep feeling that disturbance. But I really suggest that हर किसी की प्रॉब्लम और हर किसी का पेन आपका पेन नहीं है. Please learn to separate yourself. We can feel bad, we can communicate, but not to an extent that it takes away our peace of mind.
Yes. So, Kritika, I feel you should not get offended. You can give good energies to your friend and you can maintain the deal, right? And
Yeah,
once I
yeah,
told you, first let communicate. And if नहीं तो ऐसा नहीं हो जाए आपकी friend भी आपसे दूर हो जाए.
yeah. It's very important. Sometimes, no, there are some needs in one person that can be fulfilled in one way that doesn't align with us. But it does
Yes.
not need to, because it's not my needs, it's my friend's needs. So she needs to find a way how to fulfill them. And if it's serving her, it's fine. I mean, just be that good
Yes.
energy.
Yes. So it's
Yeah,
completely up to your friend. And I hope, Kritika,
yeah,
you understood by the story of the teddy bear. So
yeah,
उसको wound है तो she has to get up.
yeah,
Right?
yeah.
I hope, Kritika, it's
Anyone
helped.
else? Yes. Anyone else? Does anyone wants to ask any more questions? We have last very few minutes with Meenal. And okay, by the time if anyone have any question, they'll say. But I just want to tell everyone that, guys, please reach out to Meenal if you are in this journey of self-love and you are not able to understand and cope up with all the obstacles that's coming your way. Please reach out to her. I mean, I have worked with her tribe. I have given them a session, and I know how beautifully she caters to them. And I've heard so many stories on your page. It's amazing and it's so inspiring. So please reach out
Thank
to her
you so
for
much.
anything, especially women. I think she's a super wonder woman who can really make you, as you say, the gloomy you to the radiant you. So please
Radiant.
reach out to her. Yes, yes.
How to deal with overthinking. See, uh, basically, when we talk about overthinking, it is a good sign that yes, you are intelligent. For 2 to 3 minutes, if you're thinking on some concept, some subject, some situation, some person, it's okay. But if it crosses more than 3 to 5 minutes, then it's a high time to understand that either you are into past, that's why you're into stress, or you're thinking about the future, and then you will be in the anxiety. So if you want to deal with the overthinking, let me tell you, people think it's like taking a tablet. कि tablet खाली और गायब हो गया. No, it has become your pattern. So to become aware about your pattern, the first thing is you should have the habit of journaling. Build a habit of journaling. Keep a copy, and whenever you think कि मैं किसी event या circumstance या इंसान के लिए ज़्यादा सोच रही हूँ, please start writing it down, okay? And once you start writing it down, everything from your mind gets removed in the form of action and it comes in the piece of paper. तो यहाँ से खाली होगे तो समझ आएगा कि इतना क्यों सोच. Now, secondly, overthinking भी बहुत type की होती है, right? Many a times you always start to think worst in any situation. Worst. So the best way is, Deepika, that whatever you're thinking worst, उसको लिख डालो. तो आपको at least ये relaxation होगा कि ये तो होने ही नहीं वाला. Because when you write it down, it comes out from your space. Okay, space means your physical and mental body. That's why writing it down is very important. Secondly, as Sanjana also works a lot with breath, and I also believe in meditation and mindfulness practices. Deepika, I highly recommend you to start your day and end your day. Means before going to bed and after waking up. 5 to 10 minutes focus on your breath. You call it meditation, sit in the silence, or go for some guided meditation. It's very important that when you wake up, immediately mind mein mat chale jao. Correct? That is the second thing. And the third thing, which I always believe, move. Whenever you feel yourself stuck in a position, basically for every woman, it's very important to move the body or lower body, because that is the core, womb intelligence, or you can say your root chakra. वहां पे हमारी सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी स्टक होती है. So when we talk about shaking our booties, that's really important to shake it out and remove the energy. So this will help you. These are the small practices and habits, Deepika, but it really helps you to come out. And secondly, invest in learning these practices, right? We invest in educational degrees, we invest in learning, but we do not know how to control our mind and body. एक
Yeah.
मिनट के लिए लोग स्थिर नहीं बैठ. So it's very important, Deepika, to overcome and to deal with overthinking. Yes,
Yeah.
Sanjay, you are also working with breath, and it's so difficult
I
to ask.
I loved your line of एक मिनट के लिए भी लोग स्थिर नहीं बैठ सकते. I completely agree. मतलब it's so difficult. There are times people are there in my meditation. I'm asking them to close their eyes. They're like, yeah, we are closing our eyes.
We are
And
closing our eyes. This
I
also
just
face.
come. I have literally invested in like 50 eye masks so that anyone who comes in my session, they need to wear a eye mask because they are not able to. Because लोगों को इतना कंट्रोलिंग चाहिए ना बाहर देखने के लिए कि किसकी आंखें बंद है, क्या प्रोसेसिंग हो रही है, किसको क्या चल रहा है, किसको कैसा फील हो रहा है. So I really recommend guys that as you very rightly said, breath is something that really regulates your nervous system. ठीक है, बहुत जरूरी है खुद के थॉट्स के साथ, खुद की ब्रेथ के साथ बैठना. बिकॉज जब हम अपने अपनी स्टिलनेस में बैठते हैं ना और हमारी ब्रेथ के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं, तो हमारे दिमाग में ये जो 10,000 वॉइसेस चल रही होती है ना, जो हमारी नहीं होती है, जो सोसाइटी की होती है, फैमिली की होती है, फ्रेंड्स की होती है, कॉलीग्स की होती है, और जो हमारे क्रिटिकल सेल्फ की होती है, वो वॉइसेस को शांत करके हम हमारी इंट्यूशन के साथ कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. And that is very important because at the end, your intuition and your inner gut literally knows everything about you. But because हमें ये स्थिरता नहीं है ना, और हमको constantly कुछ करते रहना है, हमारा और हमारी intuition के बीच में इतना ज़्यादा gap हो गया. So allow yourself to be in that silence. Allow yourself to sit with that breath. Guys, breath is our life force. हम उसको importance नहीं देते हैं, but just think about it that if you lose one breath, what will happen?
Yes.
There is
And very important, if you want to live a happy, healthy, long life, अपनी breath को बचा के रखो और धीरे चलाओ.
Yes.
Because we are so much busy, and as Deepika said, overthinking. And let me tell you, everyone, those who are listening me, मैं भी शांति से नहीं बैठ पाती थी. But that is what I understood. But I had that curiosity that how people meditate, how they sit, how they close their eyes, what is within. करते I understood finally that was self-love, finding yourself. So अपनी ही breath पे focus करने के लिए we are struggling and we want to control the whole world. How difficult.
Very important.
Yeah.
Really, it is now when I understand this statement, when people say that close your eyes, there is nothing to see outside, but there's an entire universe to see within. It is now when I understand what does that mean.
Thank you so much, Deepika. I hope it helped you. And these are only small tips, but start working on yourself and it will help you to come out. Because overcoming overthinking it's okay. 75% people on the planet overthink. So you are one of them, means good, you're intelligent, but do not stretch us more than 5 minutes. Okay? Good to go, Sanjay.
We have one last question if you would like to address, Meenal. That is again from Kritika, and that is that I keep shopping all day and I get only one jeans of entire shopping trip. Why do we become so choosy? कुछ भी जल्दी पसंद नहीं आता.
Now here the question is, Kritika, you have to decide two things. First of all, do you really need to go to the shopping, or you're simply doing one window shopping, right? Many a times हम ऐसे ही घूमने निकल जाते हैं कि चलो टाइम पास करके आते हैं and then एक jeans लेके आ रही हो. Or you really want shopping and you are out, but then the second thing is the mindset, how much investment. That time also, this you have to work a lot on your perspective. It's again a belief. And जो कृतिका ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, to be very honest, I'm a person, मैं घर से बाहर निकलती हूँ when I have a list on my notepad that I have to purchase 5 things. Then I go to the particular shop, I purchase and I come back. मैं बाहर जाके घूम के फिर के नहीं आती हूँ, right? So understand your time and your energy is important. So if you want one jeans, wait till the time you have 2-3 things more in your list, go to the shopping, purchase and come back.
Yeah.
So many times I feel window shopping भी बहुत पसंद आती है. So if you are that sort of a person, fair enough. But when you talk about choosing it, it's not about choosing. It's about where we are not clear in our mind what we want. That is what
Yes.
is my perspective.
Yeah.
Because if you are very
Yeah.
clear, you will never waste your time and energy roaming in a mall for 2-3 hours and just getting a jeans. No, that's
Yeah.
not possible. If you want one
Yeah.
jeans, it takes 15 minutes. Yes or no, Sanjana?
Yes,
So,
yes, absolutely.
understand, darling, what you want. If you want a
Yeah.
pair of jeans, you will go and purchase. If you want to simply do the window shopping and waste your time and energy, then the outcome will be that I'm choosy. Right?
Yeah.
That is what is my perspective. Because I
Yeah.
am like this. I don't know
Yeah.
about the outside world. I have people
Completely.
wasting whole day. Don't do that. You can do so much.
Yes. Yeah. Also, Kritika, to that, I just like to add one more point that just notice that because आप ये, as you said, that आप अपना इतना सारा time इसमें invest करते हो, सिर्फ एक चीज लेके आते हो. Please think about it that are you using this window shopping as a coping mechanism from something that you don't want to acknowledge?
Yes.
कितनी बार होता है that there is an emotion, there is a situation, there is something that is happening in your life, but because you do not have a way out of it or you don't know. Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there are so many times that people just end up doing and investing their time into window shopping because they're escaping a situation or an emotion that they don't want to acknowledge.
So, Kratika, you need to sit and find it out that what
Yeah.
you're doing. Yes, many times it will help you, but always, no, you need to understand what you want. And that is what is, again, I told you, we are talking about the foundation of self-love only. It is absolutely the journey of accepting yourself and first of all, knowing who you are. Who I am, ये कभी कोई जानता ही नहीं है.
I so agree. Thank you so much, Meenal. I have taken a lot of your time and
No,
I have had you.
I love it to talk. That's what's
I
my energy.
love I love your energy. Everything that you have contributed today to the live has been so precious and so amazing. It is going to add a lot of value to my life, that I know for sure, because self-love is something that I still struggle and I'm still having my journey towards it. So your tips are really going to help me and definitely going to help all the audience of yours and mine and everyone who goes through it. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sanjana, for giving me this opportunity to speak authentically to everyone who are listening to us. Oh, thank you so much. Lots of love
Yes,
and
as Kritika said, Meenal, you are awesome.
Thank you, everyone, for being so patient and listening to us. And do not forget to follow Sanjana, because she's so vibrant. The day I visited her page and I said, Sanjana, you have to come to my tribe. You need to talk to every woman in my tribe. And Wim Hof, right?
Wim Hof.
Breath technique she taught, and everybody in my tribe remembers her. So at the age like less than 30 she is, and so vibrant. What a beautiful dance we all did it. So let me tell you, खुद को जान लो, बाकी सब तो अपने आप हो जाएगा.
Thank you.
That's very.
Thank you so much, Meenal. I'm so happy to be able to collaborate with you and walk each other home together.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Sanjana, it's already time. Bye. Take care. Enjoy. Love you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.